Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Captain Crunch costume is probably one of the most iconic and recognizable outfits for anyone looking to channel their inner cereal mascot, perfect for Halloween parties, costume contests, or just a fun way to bring a smile to people's faces with its vibrant colors and instantly recognizable design, making it a fantastic choice for fans of the beloved breakfast cereal. Number 5. Captain Crunch Cereal Box Costume. Get ready for a deliciously fun Halloween. This costume brings your favorite breakfast cereal to life in a unique and eye-catching way. Step back into childhood with this iconic cereal box design. It's a guaranteed conversation starter at any Halloween party. Designed for both men and women, this costume offers a comfortable, one-size-fits-all solution. Perfect for adults looking for a playful outfit. Tired of the same old costumes? This unique and playful option will make you the star of the trick-or-treating circuit or costume contest. Putting on this costume is a breeze, leaving you more time to enjoy the festivities. It's a simple yet impactful way to celebrate Halloween. Complete your Halloween look with this fun and memorable costume. It's ideal for parties, haunted houses, or just a night of spooky fun. What we like. This costume brings a beloved cereal character to life. Its comfortable, one-size-fits-most design makes it easy to wear for any adult. If you love a touch of childhood nostalgia and want a fun, recognizable outfit, this is the perfect choice for Halloween parties or trick-or-treating. What people say. This costume is a great hit for parties. The material is surprisingly durable and holds up well. It fits true to size and is comfortable to wear for extended periods. Number 4. H&ZY Men's Steampunk Tailcoat Jacket. Embrace a timeless aesthetic with this vintage-inspired tailcoat. Perfect for adding a touch of Gothic Victorian flair to any occasion. This jacket offers a unique blend of Gothic and Victorian styles. Its detailed design makes a bold statement. Transform your look with this striking frock coat. It's an ideal choice for costume parties or themed events. Channel your inner steampunk enthusiast. This piece captures the essence of vintage fashion with a modern twist. Make your Halloween costume unforgettable. This uniform-style jacket is sure to impress. Crafted with attention to detail, this coat is designed for both style and comfort. It's a standout addition to your wardrobe. What we like. Embrace a dramatic and historical aesthetic with this vintage-inspired coat. The detailed craftsmanship offers a truly distinctive look. If you're aiming for a sophisticated, theatrical, or steampunk-themed event, this piece will make you stand out with its old-world charm. What people say. The costume is made of a soft, comfortable material that is easy to wear. The design is very accurate to the character, with bright colors and clear details. It fits true to size and is adjustable for a better fit. Number 3. KACOLOR Men's Crazy Funny Cool 3D Print Pattern Socks. Tired of boring socks? Step up your sock game with these vibrant and eye-catching designs. They're the perfect way to express your unique personality. Experience the fun of 3D printing with these novelty crew socks. The intricate patterns add a playful touch to any outfit, making them a true conversation starter. Designed for both comfort and style, these socks feel as good as they look. Enjoy a snug fit that keeps you comfortable all day long. Why blend in when you were born to stand out? These socks are perfect for anyone who loves to show off their personality and sense of humor. Looking for a unique gift? These crazy and cool socks are sure to bring a smile to anyone's face. They're a fun and affordable way to surprise your loved ones. Add a pop of color and personality to your wardrobe. These socks are more than just an accessory, they're a statement. What we like. Add a pop of fun and color to any outfit with these eye-catching socks. The crazy, cool 3D patterns are sure to get noticed. If you're looking to inject personality into your costume or simply love quirky accessories, these are a fantastic and affordable way to express yourself. What people say. They looked exactly like the picture and they fit him well. I wore these on Wacky Sock Day at work. They were fun, cute, and I received so many compliments. It was a funny sock exchange, and these were perfect. Number 2. XIAMUSZ Adult Historical Hoodie. Step back in time with this historically inspired hoodie. Perfect for any occasion, it brings the past to life. Featuring a unique 3D pullover design, this sweatshirt offers a truly immersive historical experience. It's comfortable and stylish. Looking for the ultimate Halloween or cosplay costume? This hoodie is your answer. It's sure to make a statement. Crafted for comfort, this sweatshirt allows you to wear your passion for history all day long. It's a versatile addition to any wardrobe. The detailed 3D printing brings historical figures and scenes to life. Experience superior quality and design with this unique piece. Whether for a costume party or casual wear, this piece is a must-have. Get ready to turn heads with its distinctive look. What we like. This hoodie offers a unique 3D graphic print for a striking visual effect. It combines the ease of a sweatshirt with a historical cosplay theme. If you want a comfortable yet visually interesting costume that's easy to wear for casual events or conventions, this is an excellent option. What people say. The costume was a hit at the party, with many people complimenting the bright colors and accurate representation of the character. The material was surprisingly durable and held up well throughout the night, even with active wear. It was easy to put on and take off, making it convenient for quick costume changes or bathroom breaks. Number 1. Leader T-shirt T-shirt. Introducing the Leader T-shirt T-shirt, designed for those who take charge. It's more than just apparel, it's a statement of confidence and command. Crafted for ultimate comfort, this tee allows you to move with ease while exuding an aura of leadership. Feel great and look in control, all day long. With a fit that's both stylish and practical, it's ideal for any occasion. Whether you're leading a team or leading your day, this shirt has you covered. Make a lasting impression with this distinctive design. It's the perfect way to showcase your personal style and your leadership qualities simultaneously. Step out with the confidence that comes from wearing the right gear. This is the ultimate choice for anyone who believes in leading the way. What we like. Make a bold statement with this humorous leadership-themed t-shirt. It's a comfortable and casual way to express a confident attitude. If you're looking for a witty icebreaker or a simple yet impactful costume for a casual gathering, this tee is perfect for those who like to be in charge. What people say. It's a decent quality shirt. The writing on it is larger than it needs to be. It's a little obnoxious looking because of the size of the lettering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.